Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to create a poll in a WhatsApp group using WhatsApp Web on your computer. This is one of the newest and most useful features added to WhatsApp, and it's a great way to collect opinions, plan events, or make group decisions easily. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to WhatsApp Web. If you haven't already, link your phone to WhatsApp Web by scanning the QR code shown on the screen. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats and groups displayed just like on your phone. Next, open the group where you want to create the poll. It could be for your family, your classmates, your friends, or your team at work. Once the group chat is open, look at the bar at the bottom of the chat. This is where you normally type your messages. On the left side of that bar, you'll see a small paperclip icon, which is the attach icon. Click on it, and a few options will pop up like document, photo, contact, and the new one, poll. Select poll. A new window will appear asking you to enter your poll details. In the top field, type your main question. This could be something like, where should we go for dinner? Or what day works best for our next meeting? Then move to the option section. Here, you can type each answer, choice you want people to vote for. Add as many as you need. WhatsApp gives you space for multiple options, so everyone's opinion can be included. Once you've entered your question and options, double check that everything looks right. When you're happy with it, click the send icon at the bottom right of the poll window, and that's it. Your poll will instantly appear in the chat. Group members can now vote on any option they like, and you'll be able to see the results in real time as they come in. That's how simple it is to create a poll on a WhatsApp group from WhatsApp Web. Try it out today and make your group chats more interactive and organized. Thanks for watching.